follow me.
Follow me.
All she care about is a following. Follow me. Shit, follow me.
Follow me.
All we ever care about is a following.
In this video, if you have a S5 mini and you're suffering a black screen, I'm going to show you exactly how we can fix this issue. Well, if the phone is on, we're not seeing anything, I'm going to show you what we can do to fix this issue. Well, firstly, you can remove the battery and then give it a few seconds. Then you can try turn the phone on. And then if you're not getting anything, guys, the best thing that you can try to do is to press all the buttons. If not, I suggest that you do a force restart of the phone, and this will take you into download mode. Let me show you. So you hold the volume down, the power button, and also the home button, these three buttons. So it takes us to a screen like this when we hold down the power, the volume down, and the home button. So when you do this, you get a warning sign. You want to hit volume down, cancel, and restart your phone. If you can notice this, you can actually see that the screen is showing. So let's go and hit restart. If your screen go black, it is a system issue with your Android system, so you will have to flash your system with the updated firmware for your phone. So as you can see, the phone is coming on here. The phone is on. You can actually see that everything is working, guys. So that's why we are fixing it. If it happens that you are not able to fix the black screen, I suggest that you analyze your screen properly, guys. These screens are very fragile, and at times they can have cracks, especially if you drop your device. So you want to make sure that your device, if you drop your device, analyze your phone properly. If the black screen issue you're still experiencing it, I consider that you do a screen replacement. Guys, my name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. I'm out.